ones that have, I like ones that have green spines for some reason. Even though green isn't my favorite color, but I just like it. I don't know why. That one goes in circles a lot. There's another one. I think the other goes in circles too. That one's still doing the seesaw. Oh, I'm in the center of the spiral. They're coming up. The dead ones work so good at coming up.